thing about me is my family is large. My mom has 10 brothers and sisters. Any holiday for us is a full-on feast. And so when you come to our house, you'll see that, whether it's Mother's Day, Father's Day. On Mother's Day, the men cook for the women. Father's Day, the women cook for the fathers, and we serve them. There's like a program, someone's singing, someone's playing a horn. So there's all kind of stuff going on. Because I am often gone, when I come home, my family is like, we're just happy you're here. My mom's like, don't you worry, Tiff, I'll cook for you. Being a chef, you don't always get people cooking for you because they're always scared to cook for you or think you're gonna judge every dish. I love that I can go home for any of the holidays, and typically I don't have to bring food. My mom does it for me. I know I'm spoiled, it is what it is.
Watch the series now on KERA Passport. Support for the Great American Recipe comes from Visit Plano.